Today, I have to take away the excess dirt that has buried the stairs over the years. Patio has been scraped, washed, almost dry, so I'm gonna get the paint ready. It's a nice, beautiful gray. I've used it many times before. Super excited. What I'm going to do is line the edges with a paintbrush. Finally got the first coat on the top. Because the stairs are so old and uneven, we have to put more thin set on in some areas than others to even the tile out. So Scotty's gonna do the thicker areas here, and I'll do these areas where it thins out. Scotty being very picky. It's gonna look very professional when it's all done. 9 o'clock at night. We're almost done. The bottom was a little trickier than we thought because there was nothing to hold the tiles up. So Scotty made these little wedges. Seems to be working. Here's Scotty on this side. Good job, Scotty. This is kind of hard to see because it's on a lot of light, and that flashlight is making that strobe light. So I'm just gonna do it in the dark, but our drywaller did an amazing job on this arch in the bathroom, in the main washroom. I don't know if you remember how cracked it was. We'll show you the before pictures. Right now I'm priming it. He kind of skim coated it. We didn't do the bottom part because we're putting wainscoting over that. Hopefully no one ever wants to take the wainscoting off.
I bought these tiles from Home Depot, and there's patterns. We don't want to have the same tile on the same wall next to each other, so we're just kind of sorting them out.
So it's been a while since we filmed. Scotty put the grout on the top of the tile, and it's kind of made a mess. So I just washed everything down. I'm going to repaint the tops. I'm just taping the tile off like that. Now it is time for me to paint, which is the fun part. I think that looks so much better. And then we'll take the tent down tomorrow and we'll show everyone what it looks like.
Okay, so as you can see, we put the curdy backer on. It's actually a waterproof membrane. So you got to make sure you have a 2-inch overlap on the corners. And yeah, you can see I've ran out and I've still got to do this wall, so I'm going to go get some more material. You do have to use the all Curdy brand material. So the Curdy Fix, the Curdy, what's it called now? The Curdy Thin Set and the Curdy waterproof membrane in order to get a warranty on your Curdy products, on your Sluiter. So yeah, we are going to be putting tile on tomorrow, and we got these little teeny tiles. It's going to be challenging, but I've got my laser line. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the center of my grout line now. So we're going to put a tile here and go that way, and a tile there and go that way. And then we're going to go right up to the top, make it all work out.
Right now, Scotty is working on putting a closet door in front of the hot water tank in the washroom, which is not level, so he has his work cut out for him.
So this morning I built a closet door frame inside this arch to match this arch. Now I'm putting the floor down. So I originally put the first tiles down to kind of figure out where these ones go, and I set these ones up. And now I'm going to start laying these tiles accordingly. They're really easy to go together. And you literally just have to drop them in place like that. And you want to make sure that they're tight everywhere. And if they're not, you gotta move them around slightly to make them tight. And there's no subfloor required with this flooring. It's a vinyl tile. Once it's all together, you won't be able to tell the difference between the vinyl and real tile. It really looks like tile. It's a great product. Now once it's all together, I'm just going to double check with my laser. I've got my laser, had my laser set up here. And I'm just going to go down the, it was actually at, get a mark on the wall over there. And this was at 5 9/16. So I'm going to move this to 5 9/16. And then make sure it lines up over there. And I'm just going to double check these lines here. They should all be at 2 5/8. If I've done it right. And yep, they are all at 2 5/8. So that's the first row. I went real tight to the tub, so I'm going to put a bead of silicone on there to keep it nice and tight, and the bead of silicone is going to go around the corner here to seal everything to this wall, and then we're going to do beadboard on this corner with a little strip on top. Okay.